In this video, we will cover how to send feeds to the aux outputs on the Yamaha 01V96 mixer. The 01V96 has 4 aux outputs standard, and in Daktronics systems include an additional 4 for a total of 8 through the installation of an output card. To send signal to an aux output, locate the fader mode section of the mixer and select an aux. For example, select aux 1. This changes the fader mode into adjusting levels for the aux 1 output instead of the main system output. In Daktronics systems, aux 1 is normally used for the announcer's interface as a headphone monitor feed for the announcers so they can hear themselves. The announcer's microphone is on channel 1 of this mixer. Verify that the aux 1 master fader is at 0 and turned on. Under the fader mode section of the mixer, select aux 1. Verify that channel 1 is turned on. Now turn channel 1 up to the desired level and the announcer can now hear themselves. Let's say the announcer wants to hear the CD player as well. Locate the CD channel, turn it on, and set it to the desired level so the announcer gets the mix they want. For any channels past 16, select layer 17 through 32 to send those channels to an aux. Repeat this for any other sources that should be sent to this aux, and repeat this process for any other auxes. To get back to adjusting levels for the main system output, select the Home button under Fader Mode. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have further questions about our products, please contact the Daktronics audio representative. Feel free to view our other training videos available at www.daktronics.com/support. Keyword Sports Sound.